Had to scare him out with some diesel fuel.
Good, beautiful morning, everyone. It is another beautiful day. The mission for the day is to get this building washed. Got to trim the weeds away from the building so that we can then come in with our pressure washer and get the moss and all of the crap washed off of this building and get it ready to paint the trim white. We will be doing that in a future video. Today is all about pressure washing. Let's get to it. We've got to clear away these weeds and crap so that we can wash the board and the blue part down there. And we've got some weeds here up front and on the other side. Footage. I don't know what it is. It's got diamond patterns on it. Where did he go? He's wanting to come back. Maybe you can see him there. Yeah, he's coming back out. I would rather not kill him. I've got some kind of a gardening tool here. I'm sure he's not venomous, but I don't want to be scared of coming in here finding him curled up on the engine of that mini excavator there. So sorry, buddy, you're gonna have to die.
Had to scare him out with some diesel fuel.
He's got a diamond shaped head on him. It kind of sucks to kill them because they're just good for rodents, but I don't want to take a chance. I don't want him to also breed and then infest this place either, so gonna have kids soon. All right, well, I kind of feel bad because I'm sure he was a good one, but I just can't have him around here. Anyway, let's get back to work. You can see the moss and the grime here on the shed. And then especially over here on the gutters, you can really see it. So just a lot of dirt and grime and crap on this building. And we're getting it cleaned up today. All right, and that is one clean roof. You can see where the trees rubbed the paint off. We're gonna come back with a roof coating soon. It's looking pretty good. It's looking a lot better. Yeah, got the gutters clean too. I love it. Absolutely love it. God is good. All right, now that is one clean looking building. Let's shut this thing off. We used 500 gallons plus about 100, so 600 gallons of water. We don't have water out here yet, so I had to bring it in totes. Looks a lot better than it did. I hope the camera is able to show it. Brightened it up. Definitely needed a bath. Hadn't had a bath in probably 20 years. This side over here looks really, really good. Everything's nice and bright. We're gonna be removing those steps probably tomorrow. I'll come here and remove those and do some small stuff. This is looking really good. Got the roof all done. Looks really, really sharp compared to how it was. And that is the end of the video. We hope you guys have made it this far. This shed looks a lot better than it did. We're gonna be making more videos like this as we subdue and make this place into a homestead, home site, home place for myself and my future woman. I love how that shed turned out. Looks really good. We hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.